Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your iPhone or your Android, whatever device is telling you, essentially your TikTok account is telling you that you're typing too fast. Maybe you're moving too fast, take a break. And this is a very common thing. And I'll tell you exactly why this happens. There really isn't any way to fix this besides waiting. But the reason why this error may be happening on your device is essentially when you're going through your TikTok extremely fast and you may not be basically TikTok thinks you're a bot of some sort. And this is a problem. TikTok is notorious of doing this kind of stuff. Essentially it's like this: you're going through TikTok, liking it, going to another one, liking it, going to another one. This type of behavior, TikTok is going to deem that you're probably a bot, and they're probably going to end up probably restricting your account in some way, or they're probably going to just tell you, oh, you're going too fast, you're moving too fast, take a break. And there's really nothing that goes to your account when you do this. It's a very minor little offense. It's not an offense, but it's a little minor warning that they give you because they don't want to make your account in the spam or bot type of category. Because you have to remember, TikTok, there's not a human behind these decisions. They just put in a bunch of criteria that's like, oh, this is the things that a bot does, and they essentially have trained their bot to learn what a other bot or spam account may do. And they don't want people to have fake followers, fake likes, fake things like that. So if you're going through and you're liking a bunch of people's commenting and following a bunch of people in like a 1 or 2 second span, then they're probably going to assume you're a bot. And TikTok is really trying to avoid those things, mostly because they don't want skewed numbers for their advertisers. But this is essentially why when you're getting that specific warning. So the only way to fix this is to wait it out and make sure you're not acting like a bot when you're going through your TikTok. And that's essentially it. That's the main way to go ahead and fix it for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys get hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.